this is what I made from bag number 1. A bunny cage, a beehive, I think, a counter where you can sell honey, a workshop, and a cycle with a big basket with honey jars in it. And these 2 people. You're done with the structure of the treehouse, and I'd like to show you. We've got the slide, the opening and closing doors. We've got opening and closing doors and windows. We got a lift that works. Look, goes up and down. And by turning the handle, the window will also turn, and the lift will go up and down. We've got a working swing. And if I turn it around, got this window, got some mushrooms, and over here we got the toilet. It's a bit dark there, where I first started. And yeah, that's basically it.